typically in finance, people got to go around and teach themselves. So do they? Maybe. And you got to go around and shop for products in different categories. Do you know what I mean by products? Do you know what products would match what you're looking for? Why would you bother with products? Well, one category could be benefits that you don't know about. Grants that are meant to be yours. Here you are as the consumer. You don't know very much about finance, but you'd like to know. So you got to start looking. Well, who do you ask about investments? Would you like to know how to grow your savings? You got to go to different product companies. If you really want to find what matches your real needs, you got to go out to not just one company about investments, but you might got to go out to a few, because they are not going to talk about another company's products. They're going to talk about their own. And then they're going to feed to you that this is the best match for you. Maybe it is, but you've got to go around from company to company in different categories. For instance, you might go to the bank and ask them, but they've only got one product line. They're not going to talk about insurance. Never. They're only going to talk about growing your money. But they might not talk to you about this if you're not going to have much money to invest. So it's hard to educate yourself in that circumstance, especially with only one product line. So then you go and talk to another company that might be directly an investment company. And then they're going to have their own ideas. And then you're going to go out, check out insurance. So maybe you might not have the time, and these places aren't really open to you unless you've got a lot of money. Which you might, but then they may be biased into one product line. And they might not really educate you on what you really need. That may not be their focus. They may not be open past 7 or 9 when you're done work or whatever you're doing during the day. And they might not be open on the weekend either. And if they are, there's probably not an expert sitting around on a Saturday afternoon. Their hours are usually a 9 to 5 kind of hours. So finding out about these things and doing it all yourself takes a lot of time. And you may just put it off. And you may just say, that's probably not for me anyways. Maybe you want to own a house, or maybe you do. Are you getting the best mortgage rate? Maybe you got other kinds of debts, and you don't know how to get rid of them, or get ahead of them. Maybe you would like a line of credit, but you're not so sure how to manage it. Maybe you'd like a line of credit based on your equity in your mortgage. Maybe you need home insurance, car insurance, long-term care for in the future. Who do you ask? Your relatives? Your friends? Strangers? Maybe you do. You normally have to go out and find these products and this information all on your own, and it takes some time if you do it at all. You may not realize what kind of safety measures you have right at your fingertips, because they're going to tell you what they want to tell you. Each company is a competitor. Each has their own product line. And the way they make money, they've got to meet quotas. Well, WFG is totally different. We're going to break through all your analysis paralysis, and we put it all under one roof. And just chill out all that confusion by listening to what your needs and wants are and what you'd like to focus on, and helping you increase your intelligence around what your choices are. For instance, insurance. Well, there's some combinations that go together here that you may not otherwise come to learn about. And maybe you need to do some other things like your income tax. And that's the bonus with me, is that my husband does income taxes. And we work together in WFG. We're both associates. We can meet online or we can meet you in person. And we can introduce you to what this business may have for you. You need someone to guide you through the decision-making processes. That's where we come in. We provide guidance so you can relax. And when you're walking on your tightrope wire of life, you can feel more secure having this type of reassurance, guidance, understanding, and insight to what is available. If you need to build a trapeze underneath your life, which if you do put that trapeze under there through different products, then you can walk more sure of yourself, knowing that you're covering your financial intelligence, you're strengthening your stability, you're increasing and managing your money really well. And that's WFG. Our values is ethical, honesty, insight, awareness, education. And we even have this incredible, exciting moment where we're open to those who want to become referral agents and refer other people. Earn a passive income. Those who want to learn more, who want to help others, who actually want to work part-time or full-time as a WFG agent. It's up to you. That's the open door. It's an open door experience, all under one roof, in partnership with these companies. You learn, you grow, you strengthen. This is a bonus here that we have with the Dujardins. You may not have energy to go to all these places or inspiration or understanding of where to start with shopping for what you want. And it's not always about going out and shopping. Often it's about managing and understanding how to build your money. And all these different companies, they could only offer you their specialty. They don't sit and talk about what your needs are and try to create a holistic plan. That's what WFG does. As agents, we bring the services to you and take care of every single area. We consolidate everything all under one roof. You can have a coach and you can have education. And that's what we provide. I know that was a little bit messy, but I want you to know I am available to you. I'm Julie Dujardin, and you can book your appointments with me. They are complimentary financial services to you, to your door, and if you like, if you prefer, it may be easier to meet online. Just message me, send me a form, send me an email, give me a call. I hope to see you soon, and we can increase our financial intelligence.